Good morning, student. Welcome to the English class of class 7. In previous classes, we have discussed how to change from direct to indirect on assertive sentence and imperative sentence. Let's remind it. Look at the sentences. The first one, Rina said, I am eating a mango. Rina said, I am eating a mango. And the indirect speech is, Rina said that she was eating a mango. You are well known about it. Here, the reporting verb said past tense, so it's changed into past tense. I am, she was. Okay? And here that is used. That. Rina said after comma, that is used here. And in the second sentence, it is an imperative sentence. You know, আমি জানিছু আদেশ সূচক বাক্য. So, mother said to Manas, be kind to animals. Here, mother said to, instead of said to, we use advised. Mother advised Manas, be kind to animals. In place of comma and inverted comma, we use to. To. Here we use that. And here to. Okay. To be kind to animals. Just add to. Okay. So now look at another type of sentence. He said to Gagan, where is your mother? Look at the sentence between the inverted commas. What is the sentence? Yes. Yes, it is a question. It is a question. Interrogative sentence or question. Very. So it is WH word. You know, interrogative sentences are of two types. First one, WH type questions, and the second one, yes, no type question. WH type questions, that means the sentence begins with WH words. Who, which, where, how, when, what. Okay, so today we will learn how to change the sentence of WH words. Okay, WH question. So look, what do we have to do? He said to Gagan, where is your mother? Here it is a, look, at the end of the sentence, there is a question mark. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do? First, we have to change said to change into asked. Remember this. In a question, said to change into asked. ASKD, asked. Then here, we have not to use anything. Here we use that, here to, but here nothing. Only you have to remove comma and inverted comma. Okay? And there is a little change. W here it is capital letter. We have to write it in small letter. So, he asked Gagan, where? And look, where is your mother? It is a question. But when we change it into indirect speech, look, what you have to do? It becomes a statement, not a question. আমি যেতলে এর উপর কোশ্চেন ଅଛି কোশ্চেন আমি কোন করিবা ওটি স্টেটমেন্ট পরিবর্তন করিবা ইয়া কোশ্চেন আর রহিবা নাই we have to remove question mark and here we have to put a what full stop. Where is your mother? Look, helping verb at the beginning of the word. First helping verb, then verb, your mother. Where is your mother? What will be the answer? Where is your mother? When someone asks you, where is your mother? Then you say, my mother is. Then each comes after your mother. Yes. So, each come to here. And you know, it is past tense and the past tense of each. What? Okay. So, the answer is, he asked Gagan where, W small letter, where, look, your means Gagan. He said to Gagan, where is your mother? Your means Gagan's mother. So for Gagan we use each. Where his mother watch. The past tense of each, watch. Okay. First subject, then helping verb. In WH question, what happened? WH word, then helping verb, then subject. But here, first subject will come, then helping verb. So, where his mother was. Where is your mother? Your mother, your Gagan, his mother was. His mother is, the past tense of each was. So, he asked Gagan where his mother was. The next one, he said to me, he said to me, who has broken the glass? Who has broken the glass? Question mark, inverted comma. Okay, W capital. He said to me, who has broken the glass? Same thing, said to change into, we have to change said to asked. Then we have to remove these two things. We have to remove this. And who has broken the glass? What will be the answer? Who has broken the glass? Suppose someone has broken the glass. Who has broken the glass? Someone has broken the glass. That means this is the subject. So, who has broken the glass? He asked me who has, your past tense. So, you have to change it to past tense. Has, past tense of has, had. Who had broken the glass? Okay. And next is he asked me. He asked me, W small letter, who had, the past tense of has had broken the glass. Who had broken the glass? Okay, full stop. Remember, here it is a statement, not a question. Okay. Okay. Then next one, I said to Hari. I said to Hari, where is your uncle? Where is your uncle? I said to Hari, where is your uncle? I said to Hari, where is your uncle? Here look, when you change it to indirect speech, said to, we have to change said to. Okay, and where is your uncle? What will be the answer? When I ask the question, where is your uncle? The answer will be, my uncle is. Again, is. We have to change the place. And here it will become was. Okay. So can you give the answer? Yes, brother. I asked Hari where his uncle. Your, look here. Your also, you will also change. Your means who? Hari. Your is used for Hari. Hari means he. So his. It will become his. Where is his uncle? So here I asked Hari where his uncle was. Full stop. Where his uncle was. Okay. Then one more. My mother said to me. My mother said to me. My mother said to me, where do you play at night? Where do you play at night? Question mark. My mother said to me, where do you play at night? Look, here, do present tense. Where do you play? What will be your answer? I play. Where do you play? I play. But here, past tense. Set to your past tense. So you have to use the past tense of play. What is the past tense of play? Yes. Played. Yes. So where? Then you is used for whom? My mother said to me. For me, you replace me. You refers to me. So I, it will become I. I. Yes. Can you give the answer now? Yes. My mother asked me where I played at night. Very good. Thank you. So the answer will be my mother asked me where I played at night. So look here again. My mother said to change into what? Then WH word, where W becomes small letter. Where do you play? Present, play, present. We have to write the past form, and you means me. Here you refers to me. So instead of you, we use I. Okay, in this way, my mother asked me where I played at night. So now look at your book, page 14, number 3. First one. The boy said to me, the boy said to me, who won the match? Who won the match? Who won the match? Question mark. So look here. The boy said to me, who won the match? The boy said to, yes, said to change into asked, yes, asked. Then we have to remove comma and inverted comma. W will be small letter. Who won the match? Own. Which tense? Past tense. Okay, past tense. So if it is in past tense, you have to, if it is in V2, then had plus V3. You have to change V2 into had plus V3. It will become who had won. Here, who had won the match and full stop. Okay, who had won the match? The boy asked me who had won the match. Full stop. Then second one, the gentleman said to the boy. The gentleman said to the boy. The gentleman said to the boy, what is the time? What is the time? Can you give the answer? Yes. What is the time? Yes. Okay. The gentleman asked the boy, what is the time? The time is. What is the time? The answer will be the time is. So, past tense and the past tense of each. Past tense of each what? Okay. So, what the time was? Very good. The gentleman, the answer is the gentleman asked the boy what, small w, what the time was. What the time was. Then third one, The teacher said to Mahesh. The teacher said to Mahesh. The teacher said to Mahesh, when do you leave your when do you leave when do you leave your home? Your home. Yes. Question. Yes. Can you give the answer? Yes, yes. The teacher asked Mahesh when look at present tense. So you have to change in past tense. Left. Then you means who? Mahesh. When he left, then his home. Okay. Thanks. The teacher asked Mahesh when he left. Past tense of leave, left, left, left. His home. Full stop. Okay. Then fourth one, he said to him. He said to him. Where is your brother? Where is your brother? Where is your brother? Very easy one. Yes. Give the answer. He asked him where his brother was. Okay. You have to change said to, then W small letter and each last one was your his. He said to him where his brother was. Okay. He asked him where his brother was. Where his brother was. Then next number. She said to her mother. She said to her mother, why is the dog barking? Why is the dog barking? Look, she said to her mother, why is the dog barking? Yes, can you give the answer? Yes, she asked her mother why the dog was. Yes. Why is the dog barking? The answer will be the dog is barking. Each come to this place. No, and it become what? Remember this thing. Because the reporting verb is in past tense. Okay. So the answer will be she said, she asked her mother, W small letter, why the dog was barking? Question. Okay, sorry, full stop. So the rules is you have to change said to into asked, remove comma, inverted comma, and nothing has been used here. Look, WH word is, after that WH word is used. When, okay, when, then what, okay, and at the end of the sentence, don't put the question mark, you have to put a full stop. Okay, so in this way, you can change the direct speech into indirect speech on WH type question. Okay, thank you very much.